In this video, you'll learn how to log out of your Notion account from all devices. This process ensures that your account remains secure by terminating active sessions on devices you no longer want to access your account. Begin by navigating to the Notion application or website. If prompted, sign in with your account credentials. Confirm that you're on the main dashboard where you can see your workspace and available pages before continuing. Next, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Here you will find various options related to your workspace. Look for and click on Settings to access your account settings. This action will redirect you to a new screen displaying various configuration options. Once you are on the Settings page, look for the account section, click on it to reveal more account-specific options. You should now see your account details along with additional settings related to your Notion account. After that, find and click on the devices option. This section will show you all the devices currently logged into your Notion account. It is essential to check this list to understand which sessions are active before proceeding to log out. Now, click on the option labeled Log Out of all devices. This will initiate the process of logging out from every device except the one you are currently using. A confirmation message may appear, prompting you to proceed with this action. Following that, you will see a prompt asking if you want to log out of all other active sessions on other devices besides this one. Click on this option to confirm your intention to log out from those sessions. This step is critical for maintaining your account security. Next, you will encounter a final confirmation screen. This screen will remind you that you will be logged out of all devices. Click on the Log Out of all devices option to finalize this process. A loading indicator may appear as the action is processed. Once the logout process is complete, a message will confirm that you have successfully logged out from all other active sessions except for the one you are using. Finally, click on Log Out to exit your account. This action ensures that your session is securely terminated. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.